So good evening all. So we are coming with one new DI. It is based on percentage and ratio. Sometimes you will get in RRB, clerk and PO mains this kind of DI. So important DI again this concept. So what are the data we will see first? Table shows the number of male employees in 5 different companies in the year 2019. It is the 2019 data, and also given percentage of the number of employees using Instagram in 5 different companies. So I have total number of males, and I have percentage of females, and I have percentage of Instagram user, and also I have male and female Instagram user. So one column is depends on another column. So if you get like this, one column is completely depends on another. I can't go directly here I can't solve it. So we have to depends on this column is completely depends on this column is completely depends on total. So one column is depends on another row or column. Then you try to find out data first instead of solving questions. First I will try to invest 2 minutes. I will fill all data because I can solve all field because one number is depends on another, one column or one row is depends on another, one row not column here, one row is depends on another row. So I can solve it fast. Let's take it how to solve. I will repeat. Now see now, percentage of females are 50 percentage means I can write males will be 50 percentage because total always 100 percentage. Then I can find out total here. Tell me, 50 percentage is equal to 250, 100 percentage is equal to 500, 100 percentage is equal to 500, like that. 30 percentage, this number means I can write this will be 70 percentage. So 70 percentage is equal to 280, 100 percentage is equal to how much? I can solve with that. 70 percentage is equal to that, 100 percentage is equal to 400, 100 percentage is equal to 400. 25% means this is 75 percentage, 75% means 3 by 4. So 3 parts is equal to 420, 1 part is equal to 140, 140 into 4, 560 members total, 560 members total it will be. Easily like this we can solve it easily. I'll repeat how to do it once again. See now, 75 percentage is equal to 450 means that is 3 by 4. Total 3 parts is equal to 420, 1 part is equal to 140. I want total 4, 14 4s are 56, 560, like that. Even 20 percentage means it is 80 percentage. 4 by 5, 4 parts is equal to 320, 1 part is equal to 80, 85 is 400, total it will be 400. 40%, 60% is equal to 360, 10 percentage, 100% is equal to 600. I can find out this will be 60%. Now if we know total, I can find out to females 50, total 500, 50% means 250, 30% of 400 is 120, 25% of 560 means it will be 140, 20% 400 means it will be 80, 40% of 600 means it will be 240. And also I can find a total number of Instagram user out of total 80% of 500 is 400 members total users, that will be 300 members total user. 71.42 will be 5 by 7 into 560, 7 8s are 8 5s are 400, total it will be 400. Then it will be 87.5 is 3 by 8. Then 50 into 3 it will be 3 not 3 by 8, sorry, 7 by 8. 7 by 8, 50 into 7, 350. 66.66 is 2 by 3, that will be 400. Now I know total male and female using Instagram 400. Then I can distribute in the ratio 11 is to 9. 20 parts is equal to 400, 1 part is equal to 20, 20 parts is 20, 20 into 11, 220. 20 into 9, 180. 5 parts is equal to 300. 1 part is equal to 60. 180 and 120 I will get to know. 10 parts is equal to 40. 1 part is equal to 40. 1 part is equal to 10 parts is equal to 400. 1 part is equal to 40. Then 280, 210, 280 and 210. Sorry, 280 and 1, not 2, 120, because 10 power 30 into 4, 120. 5 parts is equal to 350. 1 part is equal to 70. 74 are 280 and 70. 8 parts is equal to 400. 1 part is equal to 50. 250 and 150. This is the data. Using just you write down this data before solving the questions. Even I will write down in one sheet to solve next questions. Easily we can solve it. Just 1 minute I will give you time. You just copy this data. Even I will write down in one sheet to solve next coming questions easily. Okay. Now, if you see first question, what they're talking about, find the difference between the 37.5 percentage of the average number of employees using Instagram in Gale and Phoenix. So let's find out first in Gale how many employees are using Instagram. In Gale, how many employees are using Instagram? In Phoenix, how many members are using Instagram? Out of that, I will take average first. So we know Instagram using here this data already we have 350 here 400 members, even here 400 members, total 800 members are using. Out of 800 I will take average of 800 two department means 400 is a total average of Instagram user in Phoenix and Gale. I want 37.5 percentage in that. We know 37.5 percentage will be 3 by 8, that will be 150 members. First I will take that. And to 28.56 percentage, we know 28.56 percentage of that value will be 2 by 7. Then of the average of the Instagram in Toshiba, Jindal and Samsung, I need to find out Toshiba, Jindal and Samsung, how many members. Let's find out. In Jindal we know data will be 400, in Toshiba it will be 300, and in Samsung it will be 350. I need to find out average of this number. Instead of adding 300 plus 400 plus 350 divided by 3, instead of doing that, if you closely observe that number 300, 350 and 400 consecutive numbers or arithmetic progression numbers, average will be always middle number. 350 is the average of these three department, but I don't want to take 350. I have to take only 28.56 percentage of 350. That will be 750 is a 50 into 2, 100. Then I need to find out difference of those two things. Difference of those two things will be 50. That is your final answer. I hope everyone understand this. If you are not understand, first you have to write down that data previous slide. Here I am not solving data. We already solved data. How to solve? See, if I solve it already, I can easily take data directly here. Like this, one row is depends on another row. Like first I will solve first data here. If the total number of male and female employees using Instagram in the year 2020 is 150, 130 more than the total number of males and female using Instagram in the year 2019 from Toshiba. Let's take it first to Toshiba. In Toshiba, males are using how many, females are using how many? In males are using 180 members. Total out of 300, 180 members are males, 120 members are females are using in 2019, but in 2020 150 males extra, 130 females extra. So I will add 150 and 120. 150, sorry, I will check it. 150 and 130. Yes, 150 and 130. Now if I add this, now it will be 330. Now it will be 250. Now what's the question? Let's see it. Now the question will be Find 12.5 percentage of, find 12.5 percentage of difference between the number of male and female using Instagram from the Toshiba in the year 2020. So in 2020 in Toshiba, males are using 330, females are using 250. I will take difference first. Difference will be 80. In this 80, I don't consider all complete 80. I have to take only 12.5% of the difference of 12.5 percentage, that is 1 by 8, which means 10. Answer will be 10. Difference of that, and difference of male and female who are using in Toshiba Instagram is 10 members. That will be your answer. I hope you understand this. Next question, see. Total number of female using Instagram in Gale, Phonolex and Phonolex together. Yaru females in Gale and Phonolex. Gale is this. That will be, we know answer will be 150. We already find out data that females Gale and Phonolex will be, it will be 120. That already we written. So the total number of female using Instagram in Gale and Phonolex is equal to 270. Total Phonolex plus Gale girls using will be 270. Is how much more or less than the total number of males using Instagram in Gale? Males in Gale. Gale males will be, we know 250. We already know data. So here 250. Now the question is how much percentage more or less? How much more? 20 more than comparing with total males. That will be 250 into 100. 0 0 get cancelled. 25 4 is 4 2 is 8 percentage more. So your answer will be 8 percentage. Very simple. Next question, if you see, the total number of employees in IBM is 83.33% of the total number of male employees. So in IBM is a new company. In IBM, how many members are there? 83.33% of total number of males. In Phonolex, we have total 420. Out of 420, 83.33 percentage value we know 5 by 6. That is 6 sevens are 7 5s are 35. Means 350 employees are there. Fine. Which is out of 350, 40 percentage females are there. 40 percentage of 350. 35 into 4, 70 into 2, 140. Double and off method. 140 females are there. Then tell me how many males are there? 60 percentage of 350. 70 percentage of 30, means 700 percentage of 30 or 30% of 700. Double and off, that will be 210. Fine. Total number of males not using Instagram in IBM is 152. Out of 210 males, 152 members not using Instagram. Then 48 plus 10, 58 members are using Instagram. That is a question they are asking. How many males are using Instagram? So your answer will be 58. That will be your answer. Very simple. I hope everyone understanding this. If you understanding this DI, and even if you like the way of explaining, everyone do comments about the DI, about the how I am explaining, and try to share with your friends. So next, find the difference between the total number of males not using Instagram in Toshiba, Gale and Jindal together to the total number of females not using Instagram, Jindal, Phoenix and Samsung. This is easy question. We know I need to find out difference. Yeah, we can not using. Okay, using we know, not using Instagram, Toshiba, Gale and Jindal. I need to find out Toshiba. I will write it here. Toshiba, Gale and Jindal males. We know in Toshiba we are using males. We know Toshiba males are using 180 out of 280. It means 100 members are not using. 100 members are not using. Like that, in Jindal 220 are using. 220 are using. 220 are using out of 250 means 30 members are not using. Even in Gale, 250 members are using out of 360 males. Out of 360 male, 250 members are using means 110 members are not using. So total 110, 100, 210 plus 30, 240 members males are not using from these three departments. Now I need to find out females. In which department? Jindal again. I need to find out Jindal and Phenolics and Samsung. In Jindal, total females we know 250 members, already we know that. So in that 80 members are using, females are using 80 members. Here only I will write it, no problem. 80 members are using means out of 250, 80 members are using means that remaining 20 plus 150, 170 members are not using. Then I need to find out Phenolics also. I need to find out Phenolics also. Phenolics we know total females will be 140. Total females will be 140. Females are using 120. Then 20 members are not using. 20 members are not using. Even Samsung we have to find out. Samsung we know total females will be how much. We have to find out that. So already we find out that data. Total for 80% is equal to 400, means 80 members are there. 80 members are there. Out of 80 members, 70 members are using. 70 members are using, which means 10 members are not using. So I need to find out difference. 170, 20, 200 members are using total. 200 members are using, not using, sorry, 200 members are not using females. The difference between these two will be 140. That will be your answer. I hope everyone understanding the way of solving this DA. If you like, do subscribe and share this DA. Also everyone try to do comment about this DA. Thank you. We'll meet you next DA.